My name is Orla. I work as an incident manager at Vodafone. My path to working with Vodafone began when I studied engineering in Trinity. I studied mechanical engineering for 4 years, and then I began an Erasmus as well. This was called Unitech, and it was a corporate partner, Vodafone. So with Vodafone there, that was my first sort of exposure into what it is that they do and how they are just far more than just phones and package plans and different sort of data usage bundles. So for me, I got an insight into Vodafone being a technology company, and that was really important. So I finished my studies, and a couple of friends did the graduate program in other countries. And when I thought about Vodafone, I was thinking about this is a company that's in so many different places around the world that it was something I really wanted to be involved in. They worked with doing great rollouts in terms of the network, the service that they provided. They were always a class above, so I really wanted to get involved in that and really get myself part of that group. My job involves working with the business and supporting them with their needs in terms of if we have a problem, we work to fix that with many of our vendors, other support teams within technology and within the business departments. The core skills that I think really make you successful in working in somewhere like technology are, first of all, having a grounding in a technical background. So from the likes of coming from engineering, you learn how to approach problems, you learn to look at things from a different perspective. I think the second really important skill is that you're able to communicate that technical knowledge so that everyone around the business understands what it is that you're doing, they understand the importance of it, and they understand how it all works. So that's really essential. I think the final skill that really helps me day to day is having an awareness of what's going on and what's coming down the line. So you might be working on something that is really important this week, this month or this quarter, but you need to also be really aware of how will that affect us in 2-3 years' time and what new projects are coming down the line that really need to be integrated into this sort of stuff. So I think that's really, really essential to have the awareness, the communication and your grounding in a technical skill. The best thing about my job is I don't know what's going to be happening every day. It's so different. We work at such a really fast pace as well. So that means for me, I have to do things very quickly. I'm running around. I'm working with new people all the time. I've got a group of people that I work with very closely and support me very well, and I get to input into that. So there's a real sense of teamwork and community there. So we're all in it together. And that for me is a brilliant way to work.